Hi, I'm going to show you how to use Python packages on the Dardel HPC cluster using software modules. And this is part of the course using Python in an HPC environment. So using Python packages in an HPC environment. That's what we're going to do. And Python packages are important because they are tested pieces of software. Written by others, used by others, and probably you'll be using packages from someone else. And it's to be preferred over writing your own code for sure. Unless you're developing your own packages, of course. This is general for Python, but this software modules is only for HPC clusters. So on an HPC clusters, software modules allows you to activate your favorite software of any version. Like you can't install stuff on an HPC cluster. Instead, you pick a module of software of your version that we have installed for you. Also doing this, picking explicit versions, like writing down which versions you use, helps assure reproducible research. What we're going to do is first reload Python. Then we check if a Python package is not there. Then we're going to load a software module that has the Python package we want, and then we confirm it is there again. Let's take a look through the exercises. Let's see, there's only one exercise. Let's take the steps. You need to log into your HPC cluster. We need to load a Python module. Sure, we can do this. We need to check for this package being absent, like because we did not load a software module that has this package. Then we need to find where it is. We're going to look through the documentation. Let's see if we can find it. Else the answer is always here, where we're going to load the software module, and then we confirm the package is now present. Let's start doing this. So I put this window to the left of my screen, there at the left. And we're going to log into our HPC cluster. Well, I've already done that. I'm on Dardel now. There. And we're going to load the Python version 3.11.4. We have done this the day before, so we maybe still know how to do it. I'm going to copy paste the answer that I have here. There. There's another Python version you may want to use. I use this one. But you can pick another type of Python too, called Cray Python. Now we need to look for the TensorFlow package, and this is the Python package, not the tool. And to do that, we use pip list, which gives us a list of all installed Python packages for now. And it should not be there, and it will not be there. So let's take a look at the Python package TensorFlow. It's not here, else it would be here. So we've confirmed it's not there yet, and now we're gonna find how to get it. To do this, I'm gonna search the documentation. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a new tab, and I'm gonna look for Dardel TensorFlow Python package, something like this. And then we're gonna look for the documentation of this. So here we have, let's go to the documentation of Dardel. Let's first go to, let's add PDC. That's the center that maintains Dardel. Here we have it. So we want a PDC URL. And this is KTH. Oh, here, information about Python. Let's take a look at this. So yeah, this is good. We see the name Dardel here. Here we see Miniconda. We can skip this. I have no idea why we don't need this. Activate the base if we don't need this. Creating your own Python. I'm just going to search for TensorFlow, right? So I'm going to click TensorFlow here. TensorFlow. Sure, TensorFlow. And this is not the Python package, so we cannot use this. So maybe there are more hits about TensorFlow. Let's take a look at this one just to make sure. This is PyTorch, it's something else, but maybe it helps us to find the word TensorFlow. TensorFlow. No, it's only here. So this doesn't help us find the Python package called TensorFlow. Maybe we need to look at modules. Python module, Python. Let's do first Python, take a look for the word TensorFlow here. TensorFlow, no, it's not there. Module, Python module. Let's take a look at that. Python, how to use more PyTorch. This is addition. Oh, but maybe this is it. Let's take a look. Installing additional Python packages. That's installing. We don't want this. We want to use something that's already there. So let's go back. And then I'm going to take a look at the module system. Maybe it's here as an example. No. So I'm going to give up here how to do it. So I'm going to give up searching for TensorFlow in the documentation. I cannot find it. Taking a look at the answer. Yeah, it is somewhere there, but this is irrelevant. This is because this links to the page about the TensorFlow as a tool, not the Python package. So we're going to use the module system. So we're going to do module spider TensorFlow. This already will give you a problem because this will find you the tool called TensorFlow, and it's not found even. So the magic word is keyword. Maybe this will help to find a module with the word TensorFlow as a keyword. So I have no idea what this is, and that's all we can find. Let's take a look for the word packages. Maybe TensorFlow is part of some kind of package with a different name. So I'm going to look for the word package. Maybe there's a module with the word package in it, like Python packages. This is a lot of things. I'm going to look for packages instead. Let's take a look. All spec modules. That's all Py packaging. All right. There are some Python things in here. The Python machine learning packages. And that's the one we're going to use. The machine learning package. Because TensorFlow is a machine learning tool. So that's what we're going to load. So I'm going to spider on this. Module spider that thing that we can see what kind of version are we going to load for it. There. Well, let's load then the latest version. There, module load that. Probably we get an error. Let's take a look at the error and fix it. The error says, hey dear user, you have Python loaded, or show module unload Python. And then we load this thing again. And then let's see. Yeah, so now we have Python with some machine learning packages installed. And if you do pip list now, let's go back to let's take a look where we are in the exercises. So load the software module. We've done this. Dardel, yeah, that's what we've done. See that the package is now present. I'll close this thing. It's pip list again, so do pip list. And now we should find the TensorFlow package. Let's take a look. And there we have TensorFlow, especially the CPU package. They're the same, I guess. So yes, here we have installed we've loaded the software module for the TensorFlow Python package. And with this, I have now shown you how to use Python packages in an HPC environment. For this course, using Python in HPC environment for the Dardel HPC cluster. With that, I wish you a very good day. Bye!